For decades, engineers all over the world have had to rely on either cone and thread or welded tube fittings when working with higher pressures or applications where permanent connections are required. Both of these connection methods are laborious, time-consuming, and problematic, which can add a great deal of time and money to any commercial installation. Customers have been looking for new tube connection systems to solve these problems, but nothing was available. Before today, Parker has developed a new type of tube connector, Phastite. Developed with years of experience and customer input, Phastite is a revolutionary approach to the connection of tube systems. Phastite is assembled in a matter of seconds using a single compact and easy-to-use tool which is available in two forms, bench-mounted or handheld. Simply push your tubing into the pre-assembled Phastite connector. Apply the Phastite tool, which compresses the Phastite connector to a dead stop. As the connector compresses, it forms a series of compression rings around the tubing, giving you a leak-free connection first time, every time. Phastite has been developed to the highest possible manufacturing and pressure containment standards. Development has included hydrostatic testing, gas testing, vibration testing, and helium vacuum tests, state-of-the-art machines, on-site customer tests, and over 90 years of connector manufacturing have all been used to achieve the accurate and consistent manufacture of the Phastite connector. The benefits to the customer include reduced assembly time from hours to seconds, a simple connection that prevents any user error, no rework required, just fit and forget, and non-destructive testing, resulting in reduced installation costs and increased safety with a leak-free connection first time, every time, leading to a significant improvement in installation integrity.